managing anger. Managing anger, how to manage anger or how to control anger. But before starting my topic, there are lots of questions coming in your mind related to this topic, managing anger. And the first question of course coming, that is what is anger? What is anger? Anger होता क्या है? किस चिड़िया का नाम है anger? So imagine, anger is a feeling or a emotion. ये आम फीलिंग्स की तरह बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है, जस्ट लाइक खुशियां, दुख, थॉट, विचार, उसकी बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है एंगर. एंगर इज a feeling or emotion which come when we feel uncomfortable or face difficulty with someone or something. जब हमें किसी चीज से प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हमें गुस्सा आता है. ज्यादा मैं बात को नहीं घुमाऊंगा, सिंपल पॉइंट टू पॉइंट बोलूंगा, बस उससे ज्यादा मतलब में रखिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं अभी डिस्कस होने के लिए और बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स है आपको शॉक होने के लिए. सो बी रेडी टू बी शॉक. पहले सिर्फ एंगर का डाउट क्लियर हो गया. एंगर इज अ टाइप ऑफ इमोशन विच कम व्हेन वी फील अनकंफर्टेबल और फील बैड with someone or something. The second question of course coming in your mind, why anger comes? गुस्सा आता क्यों है? आता क्यों है गुस्सा? So this question is going to be a suspense because I discussed this question at the last. क्योंकि अगर मैं अभी डिस्कस करूंगा तो आपको फीलिंग नहीं आएगी. मैं डिस्कस नहीं करूंगा, आपको फील कराऊंगा, आपको भी फीलिंग नहीं आएगी. सो रिमेंबर दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाई एंगर कम? गुस्सा आता क्यों है? एट लास्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ एंगर कम्स? गुस्सा कैसे आता है? एक गुस्सा क्यों आता है और गुस्सा कैसे आता है? देयर आर वेरी बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बोथ क्वेश्चन. हाउ एंगर्स कम्स, दिस क्वेश्चन, इसका आंसर सोचिएगा. इस आंसर से पहले एक और मैं और क्वेश्चन पूछ दूंगा. हाउ हैप्पीनेस कम? खुशी कैसे आती है? हाउ सैडनेस कम? दुख कैसे आता है? सिंपल, अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन. गुस्सा भी अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन आता है. सिचुएशन वैसा होता है, हमें गुस्सा आता है. हालात और परिस्थिति, ये था गुस्सा को थोड़ा ऊपर ऊपर. All concept about angry. Now you listen one story in English. You must listen a thought that every coin has two faces. हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. Anger also has two faces. In normal language, I used to say the advantage of anger and the disadvantage of anger. You all know about the disadvantage of anger, but very few of you know about the advantage of anger. So first I will discuss about the advantage of anger. So see, there are two types of anger. One is small anger, one is big anger. So big anger have no advantage, only destruction. But small anger has some advantage. It contains some advantage. For example, a teacher get anger on a student. There is advantage of a student. There is a big advantage of a student. You can be very simple. आप जैसे इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं, एक बच्चा होता है क्लास में, पूरे महीने में किसी भी दिन होमवर्क कर नहीं आता. टीचर उसे बस इग्नोर करते हैं, पर इतना हर बार बोलते थे बेटा अगले दिन होमवर्क कर आना. अचानक से एक दिन टीचर को गुस्सा आ गया. वो बच्चे पर चिल्लाने लगे, तुमने होमवर्क क्यों नहीं किया? एक्सक्यूजेस मत दो मुझे, पेरेंट्स को कॉल करो, अपने पेरेंट्स बुलाओ स्कूल में. नाउ द स्टूडेंट व्हाट? स्टूडेंट डर जाएगा. वो बोलेगा सर माफ कर दीजिए, अगले दिन होमवर्क मैं कर आऊंगा, और वो डेफिनेटली कर आएगा, 100% कर आएगा. तो देयर इज एडवांटेज ऑफ एंगर. पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे पर गुस्सा होते हैं. So there is also advantage of anger. वो बच्चों को रोकते हैं गुस्सा के माध्यम से, गलत रास्ते पर नहीं जाने, सही रास्ते पर चलो गुस्सा कर कर. So but there is a way to express anger. टीचर भी एक सही माध्यम चुने एंगर को एक्सप्रेस करने का. अगर वही टीचर गुस्से में बच्चे को मार देते, पीट देते, तो बात कुछ और हो जाती. या फिर पेरेंट्स भी अपने बच्चों को मार देते, पीट देते, तो बात कुछ और हो जाती. बच्चा सोचता कि सर हमेशा हम मार देते हैं, पीट देते हैं, सर बुरे हैं, सर ऐसे हैं. But there is a way to express anger. And now I am talking about disadvantage of anger. डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ एंगर. पहला पॉइंट डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ एंगर का, लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी. आपकी एनर्जी फालतू का वेस्ट होगा, फालतू का लॉस होगा. सेकंड, लॉस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी मींस इनकम, पैसा. गुस्से में अक्सर आप कोई सामान तोड़ देते होंगे, फोड़ देते होंगे. किसका सामान जाता होगा? आपका जाता होगा. आपका सामान गया, आपका लॉस हुआ, आपका पैसा लॉस हुआ. थर्ड, द मोस्ट बिगेस्ट फैक्टर, लॉस ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. रिश्तों में करवाहट आती है एंगर के चलते.
What causes our behavior to change in? So basically we want to create our impression in front of others. Like we want that I am something. They should be thinking a positive for us. We like that others should respect us. Others should think something extraordinary about me. But if we go that why do we want to create impressions, then there is no any basic reason at all. Also, because of we want to create our impressions, we sometimes over show off, overreact, and this create an awful situation in our surrounding. They say, have you even noticed that when we create awful situations in our surrounding, mostly we hear that देखो ना show off कर रहा है. Then what happened? We actually changed our behavior now. We changed our behavior, and because of this, we had to listen that देखो ना show off कर रहा है. So guys, also we sometimes show our attitudes and ego. And listen me, believe me, this is one of the most and most bigger reason at all. That in order to, because of our attitude and ego, we a lot of time changes our behavior. Okay, just I would like to tell one interesting example. Suddenly it came in my mind. One time what happened. Also, one point more. Also, this attitudes and ego leads to misconceptions and misunderstanding. Now, just I would like to tell you the example. I think that it's very interesting. One time, what happened, guys? When I went to a school, yes, Cambridge Public School. When I went to school, I went to my class and the door was closed. Okay, and some of the students were inside the class, and I was outside the class with some of the friends moving on the corridors. And when I tried to open the door, suddenly from inside, someone opened the door. So I scared at what is all about here. So I went inside the class and kept my bag over the bench and just moved out of the class and started to roam in the corridor. When the assembly bell rang as usual, I went to the ground and I came to hear from the boys that some of the students had broken the door at all. Listen, some of the students had broken the door. Okay, so I was really shocked that how is it possible that students had broken the door at all. So I, as a captain, I started to collect the names at all. So when I was collecting them, I was okay that when the class will begin, I will tell these all to the teacher. And when I entered the class, before telling this even to me, other students have told this to the sir. And one more important thing that in the list of those students, my name was involved. Okay, my name was involved. And before I say to the teacher that sir, I was not there, he told me along with other students to move out of the class. And at that moment, because of my attitude and ego, my behavior changed to my class teacher. Listen. So that time, on that time, I was not getting that what is happening with me. I was only on my attitudes and ego at all. So I behaved very wrongly to my class teacher and moved out of the class. Also, I complained for him to the office that without any my fault, he gave me punishment to move out of the class. This ego led to me to there. And also मुझे ऑफिस में समझाया जा रहा था कि बाबू ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. उसके बाद भी मैं नहीं सुन रहा था. क्यों नहीं सुन रहा था? Because of my attitude and ego. बट मैं जब घर आया तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार इट इज ओके गाइस, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट माय नॉट, आई हैड टू consult to the teacher instead of doing those all awkward situations and all. And after a few weeks more, I felt regret of it that I should not do that. So guys, it leads our behavior to change this, like that बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि ऐसे ऐसे सिचुएशंस हमें ऐसे कारण में डाल देते हैं कि वी फील awkward, we feel regret of ourselves. And also to define ourselves, we try to make them know that I am something. That most what happens that if we are also wrong, then we, because of this, to define ourselves, we say that it is, if I say that it is right, then it should be right whether it is wrong or right. मतलब कि बहुत सारे सिचुएशन में क्या होता है, सिर्फ हम अपना ही बोलते जाते हैं, हमको दिखता ही नहीं है कि अगला क्या कह रहा है. अगला सही भी कह रहा है तब भी मैं ही सही हूँ, अगर मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ तब भी मैं ही सही हूँ. And this what happens, we often try to define ourselves. Okay, we will touch it later. And also there is one of the major cause of change in our behavior, that is sensation seeking. So guys, what happens, we try to sense the seeking process of sensations. Okay, so guys, what happens actually? So in the very first topic, I had choose the same one, but before this I would like to give you an overview of this, that what happens in order to seek the sensations, to order to get the feelings at all, we often create of our full situation around us, we often create very and very bad condition around us, only because to take the sensations at all.
You plan how to give your study for your time, how to give time for your study. You plan and how to give time for your household work. So you plan your day or time in a full day. How do you manage your all subjects? How can you study? So you plan your day, and you, if you plan, you all every day get a new routine. You every day get creative things. So always manage your plan your day with in the morning and start your day from morning. After that, my third step, that is managing your space. Yes, managing your space means your study is a noisy area or a crowdless area. Is it perfect for your, means where you study, is it environment, study environment or not? Because some students like to study in a groups also, some students like to study alone. So it depends on you how you want to study. So manage your space, how to create your environment study, that you study perfectly and with full focus and concentration. So always make study environment for your study, so that you can focus on your study properly. So my last step, that is managing your motivation. It means motivation needs everyone, and especially student life, because क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स के लाइफ में मोटिवेशन की बहुत जरूरत होती है, और टीचर्स भी मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं जब स्टूडेंट्स को जरूरत होती है. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ में ऐसा होता है कि उसका कॉन्फिडेंस अचानक से बढ़ भी जाता है और अचानक से घट भी जाता है. इसलिए मोटिवेशन हमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लाइफ में. सो वी managing, how to manage our motivation when we think we have not we not go through our ambition, we not give a proper time, we feel upset. Then how I can motivate, how we should motivate for me, for us to get a proper work. So basically in school teachers also motivate us, but at home you should go through your parents for the motivation. When you talk about him, about his childhood, about your childhood, about their past, how his situation and how his present situation. When you talk about their situation, definitely you get some extra that you have to, and definitely you motivate oneself, and you know what, and that time you realize what you have to do, and you go through a right path. So if you want some motivation, then you go through your parents, and it's definitely help you for your ambition, and this is a perfect motivation for you. So lastly, I said examination only help for building a student self confidence, self esteem, not to make them frustrated, upset. So always be ready for your examination. If we think that we are prepare myself on the time, and we got a time for preparation, then that that you make frustration, because जब हम टाइम के साथ चलना शुरू करेंगे और टाइम मिलने पर कोई काम करना चाहेंगे, तो वो हमें फ्रस्ट्रेट क्रिएट करेगा। और जब हम टाइम से पहले ही रेडी रहेंगे, तो वो हमें कभी भी अपसेट और फ्रस्ट्रेट नहीं करेगा। दिस मेक आवर सेल्फ स्टीम एंड कॉन्फिडेंस। सो examination is nothing, it only build your self confidence, and it's give a first, and it is a steer of your ambition and goal. So always be ready for your examination. So thank you.